Kaiʻaleʻale, the manō, the shark, came with his gang of 10, and they were man-eaters. And they were kicked out from every place that they lived just because they were man-eaters. And they came off Kohala, and they came off the shore at where Lemakani and Hina and now Punia lived. And Lemakani didn't know any of this. And they were offshore, there down in the depths. And Lemakani said, "Ma, I can take the boy. We're going down to the beach, pick up some ula." And by this time, the boy is so big, instead of going down and bringing up 2, he bring up 3. And even though he bring up 3 and all that, never took too much, always took what was needed. Goes down to the ocean. He tells Punia, "Hey, hang on, I'll be right back." Jumps into the water, goes down, picks up his ula, and on the way back, there's Kaiʻaleʻale and his band of sharks. They tear him apart. They tear him apart. It was a mess. They all shared his body. He was shreds. They ate him up. And Kaiʻaleʻale, the chief of that gang, took his head into his mouth, up to the surface of the sea, and taunted Punia. Of course, the boy, seeing this, he too was torn to shreds. His father, the water is just red, and there's this shark, this manō, Kaiʻaleʻale, holding his father's head. And he says, "For what you just did today, Kaiʻaleʻale, I will get my revenge on you and your gang." And he goes home, crying. His mother hears him coming and says, "Oh, what's the matter? Why are you crying like this? Where's your father?" And the boy tells the mother what happens. And now she is distraught, the love of her life. And she wants to go run over there and jump in the water too, kill herself. Eat me, take me too. And the only thing that stops her is the boy saying, "No, Mama." Time goes on, not too much time. And they're eating sweet potatoes and sweet potato leaves. And the boy says, "Ma, I'll go get ula." And she says, "Are you crazy? After what they did to your father, you gonna go down there?" He says, "Well then, can I at least just go to the shore and catch fish from the shore?" And the mother doesn't want to hear it, but because he's such a pain, she says, okay. Gets the fishing pole. Says, "Yeah, go catch fish, come back. Stay out of the water." He goes, coming back with fish. They eat the sweet potato. They get the fish that he pulled up. But, that only lasts for a little while. And he says, "Ma, I like eat lobster. The lobster that we always ate." He says, "That shark is out there. I cannot stand losing you. If you get taken, who gonna take care of me? When I pass on, who's gonna bury my bones? Who gonna hide my bones?" But because the boy is such a pain, just keeps nagging, she says, "You know what?" He said, "You know what, Ma, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna look, because it's been a while. And if he's there, I'm not going in. Okay? Go in.